My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Alright, we are going to be making blueberry jam melt and pour soap. So I already have my clear melt and pour cut up, and this is a combination of goat milk and coconut milk. And I have my mold, which holds about 20 ounces. I have 13 ounces in each of these. And then I have 3 different pigments. This is copper. The next one is blue. And then the last one is indigo. So like my indigo and blue look kind of similar. So I'm gonna add some of this Stardust Mica in Ariel blue, just to kind of lighten my blue. Yeah, that's better. That's like the lighter blue. Okay, so for the design, I'm going to be doing 4 different layers. I'm going to be doing 2 blue and then 2 copper. I'm going to do blue, copper, blue, copper. And yeah, so let me heat up my soaps. Okay, so I added the indigo into about half of the white melt and pour, but I'm not really liking the color. It looks like gray, it doesn't look blue. So I'm gonna add some of this Stardust Micas in Blue Lagoon. Alright, I don't want it to turn like too turquoise. So let me see what our temperature is. 121. So I'm going to add the fragrance oil. I'm going to be using this Blueberry Jam by Brambleberry. Alright, I'm just going to pour it in. And I'm going to spray it with alcohol, 99% alcohol. Alright, so we have a couple minutes, so we will need it because we need to let this cool down. Let me see. It's 142 right now. Oh, it's not that bad. So I'm going to pour all of the copper pigment in here. That's really pretty. And I'm going to get my last layer ready. So I'm going to take the rest of the white melt and pour, and I'm going to put this middle color in. Alright, I'm going to wait about 2 minutes for this to form a layer, and I will be back. Alright, so it has a thin layer now. Let me see. This is 122, which is perfect. I'm going to add my fragrance oil. And now I am going to pour in half of it for my second layer. And I'm gonna get a spoon and I'm gonna pour it directly on top of that to kind of help brace the first layer. Okay, that's about half. Ooh, that's really pretty. Let me spray it with alcohol. All right, so now we're gonna wait about 3, maybe 5 minutes for that to form a thin layer again, and then we will come back and do the other 2 layers. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes and my temperature is 132. I'm going to add I already added my fragrance oil, didn't I? No, I didn't. I'm asking you guys like you're gonna answer me. So now I'm gonna pour in our 3rd layer and I'm going to use the spoon again. I actually made too much for once. I do want to save room for my last layer, even though I don't have much room. Alright, let me spray it. Alright, and once again, I will be back in about 5 minutes. Okay, so now it's time for the last layer. This is 119 degrees. So I'm just going to pour the last layer in. And spray it with some alcohol. I can't believe I actually had enough this time. More than enough. Alright, so we're gonna let that sit for about 3 to 4 hours and then I'll come back and unmold it. But anyways, alright, so here is what it looks like. Ooh, I really like it so far. It smells delicious. All right, let's. Ooh. So I guess if you wanted the colors to like interact more, you can just wait less time in between the layers. I waited till there was like a thin film on the soap, but that's because I still wanted there to be a clear distinction between the colors. I didn't want them all mixed together to turn gray. But if you want them to like swirl more, you can just wait like maybe 2 minutes in between each layer. That is super pretty. I'm super happy with the way it came out. Alright. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you later. Bye.